Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a charcoal powder face mask. The one I'm using right now is this one right here. You only need 1 tablespoon of your activated charcoal powder. You can use something like this or you can use the one in capsules. I think with 1 or 2 capsules will be enough, and then add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. The best will be if it's Greek yogurt or plain yogurt, that works well. And then I like to add a little bit of lime juice. This is completely optional, only with the charcoal powder and the yogurt. It is enough to give you great results. The consistency is a paste. I love to use activated charcoal for many things, but one of my favorite is on face mask. I call it the detox face mask. What the charcoal does is to absorb all the oil, the dirt out of the skin, out of the pores. I like to use it because it brightens my skin and it kind of like revives the skin back into that glow, into that natural glow. I feel like it tightens up my pores and clean them really deep. At the end, when the face mask is dried, go ahead and wash it off with warm water. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe if you like this content or this channel. Remember, we do organic beauty, natural beauty, anything that is related to beauty that I think you guys are going to like. And I do videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, just to let you know. And if you do subscribe to this channel, thank you. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Pura Vida!